Come, let's look at this question number 28 for JAMB Past Questions Physics 2018. The time rate of loss of heat by a body is proportional to the A. Temperature of its surroundings, B. Temperature of the body, C. Difference in temperature between the body and its surroundings, D. Ratio of the temperature of the body to that of its surroundings. Now we need to understand what loss of heat is all about. So let's say we have this body and it's losing heat to the surrounding. Now what will ensure that there is loss of heat from this body having temperature T1 to the surrounding having temperature T2 is what we call temperature gradient. Change in temperature, that is temperature gradient. That is difference between temperature of the body and that of the surrounding. That difference, that's what ensures loss of heat, and that makes C the right answer to this. It is not just the temperature of the body. If the temperature of the body is 1000 and the temperature of the surrounding is 1000, there will be no loss of heat because there is no temperature gradient. So if you have 1000 here and you have 1000 here, there will be no loss. Movement is only occurring when there is temperature gradient. If the temperature here is 10 and this one is 20, there will be movement. If it is 30 here and this one is 5, there will be movement. So there has to be difference in temperature, and that is what C is all about. It is not T2 over T1, which is what D is talking about. It is not the magnitude of the body temperature or the magnitude of the temperature of the surrounding, because if the magnitude is so large but it's equal, then there will be no movement. So what actually causes loss of heat or movement of heat in and out of the body is the temperature difference. Once there is a temperature difference between T1 and T2, we have what we call temperature gradient, which allows for heat loss or even heat gain. So what we'll do, this is what we call temperature gradient, and temperature gradient is actually the difference in temperature between the body and the surrounding. So you can say that this is T body and this is T surrounding. You can say that this is T body and this is T surrounding. Once there is difference between these two, once one could be 1000 and the other one could be 20, then you will talk about what we call temperature gradient. So C is the right answer to these. Thank you.